Evaluate the following piecewise function. Find f of 3 if f of x is equal to x plus 2 if x is less than 3, and negative x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 3. So the way you do piecewise functions is first we're going to find 3. So which one of these two has 3 defined for it? And it's this one. This is the one where it's true. It's actually false here. 3 is not less than 3. So that means since it's not in this domain, we don't use this function. It's telling us to use the bottom function. And that's all this is telling us, is just which function to use. So now we plug it into here. Negative, and then we're going to plug the 3 into that x plus 2, and negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 1. So that's the answer. F of 3 is negative 1. We can check it, and there it is, negative 1. This is how you do all piecewise functions. You'll just find out which domain it's defined in, and that tells you which function to use. If you want to try more of these, I have a page online. I'll include a link down below in the description. Here are a bunch of these you can try out. And you just do the same steps. You just find out which one it's defined for and which one, and they all have the answers shown. Oh, there's a lot of them. Lots and lots of piecewise function practice. Should we do one more? We can do one more. Let's do this one. We're going to do number 19 right here. Find f of 5, and this is our function. So where's the 5 at? Well, this says less than 4. Okay, 5 is right here. It's between 4 and 6. So we're going to use this function right here. So we'll plug a 5 into the x. So that's 5 minus 3, and we get 2. If we check it, the answer's 2. So you can tell these are pretty straightforward. Looks like there's 21 you can try on this website. Like I said, I'll put a link down below in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Andy, man.